Hello you! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are here with a new video for you. The new video is all about 3 reasons why you should apply for a job as a bank teller. Let's get into it. You probably see the vacancies for bank tellers come by frequently but never apply to one. You may want to reconsider. We are here to tell you 3 reasons why you should apply for a job as a bank teller. 1. Experience. If you want to get into banking but you don't have any experience, then there are multiple roads that you can follow. One of them is getting hands-on experience in the field. A great entry-level job to gain experience in banking is to work as a bank teller. The experience you gain in this position can help you grow a career in banking, whether you want to become a head teller or move into another role within banking. 2. Opportunities. Of course you would like to be sure that you will always have a job. Unfortunately, there will never be a guarantee, but as a bank teller you will have a lot of options. The position of bank teller is always in demand. As mentioned before, this entry-level job is a great start to ease into other positions, therefore you will have a great chance of getting a job. 3. It's a diverse position. When you work as a bank teller, no day is the same. You get to meet customers, perform different tasks, and get a chance to be part of a team while working on your career development. Besides that, you will have some responsibilities, but not too much, so you will not have too much stress during your workday. All in all, it's a job where you will never get bored, no matter how long you stay in the same position. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to our channel. If you want to stay up to date on the latest vacancies, we suggest you follow us on our social media or visit our website. You can find the links in the description bar.